children, today we are going to start with chapter number 13, that is means of communication. So, what is communication? It is the process of sending and receiving message from one another, जिसमें अपने ideas को, अपने thoughts को, अपनी feelings को क्या करते हैं, express करते हैं. Now, what is communication? Process of sending and receiving message. Sender क्या कर रहा है? Message भेज रहा है. Receiver receive कर रहा है. A communication network carries out thoughts and messages to every corner of the world at an unbelievable speed and efficiency. Now means of communication, we have individual means of communication जिसमें आपका letter आ जाता है. ये सबसे cheapest means of communication. What it is? Cheapest means of communication. You can send personal message. आप personal message send कर सकते हो with the help of letter. Even money can be sent by post through electronic money order. Gifts can be sent in the form of parcel. All these are delivered finally by the postman. और कौन deliver करता है? Postman. Right? You have to do this to write a message on an inland envelope or postcard and drop it in the letter box. और आपको क्या करना है? Drop करना है letter box में. So you can find letter boxes in many places and they look like one of the picture. Your letter will reach your friends or relative only if you have it in the full address on. अगर आपने पूरा एड्रेस लिखा है तभी वो पहुंचेगा. A letter takes a few days, कुछ time लेता है to reach the distance. It is only a one-way communication. What it is? It is one-way communication. A telephone, it is very different because of two people can talk to each other even if the distance is 1000. अगर आप 1000 किलोमीटर का भी distance ना तो भी आप easily एक दूसरे से क्या कर सकते हैं? बात कर सकते हैं. So apart from personal purpose, telephone are very useful in business too. Today, a part of telephones, we have pages, mobile phones, and even faximile machine. A pager is wireless device which its owner can receive and type message. He cannot talk to the person giving the message with a pager. A pager can be carried by its owner anywhere we use. Next we have mobile phone. So it's just like a telephone. Its main advantage is that it can be carried anywhere and the person can talk to the person called. So it is mobile mode of communication. Next is fax machine. It is little different. It can send and receive printed message from one another, right? And it can also send written message. आप एक fax machine से दूसरी fax machine पर written message भी भेज सकते हैं. Today computers have completely changed the way to communicate. If you want to travel by rail and can book your ticket at Mumbai while you are at the Delhi or vice versa. The various reservation made recorded and registered around the country wherever computers are linked. जहाँ पे भी आपकी computers क्या है linked. मास कम्युनिकेशन, जब हमें लॉट नंबर ऑफ पीपल, बहुत सारे लोगों से बात करने को मास कम्युनिकेशन का यूज करते हैं. लाइक न्यूज़पेपर, मैगजीन, रेडियो एंड टेलीविजन. दीज आर द मास कम्युनिकेशन. न्यूज़पेपर, वाइडली यूज्ड मीन्स ऑफ कम्युनिकेशन. दे कैन कैरी प्रिंटेड इंफॉर्मेशन, news, views, opinions, information on various kinds of. Newspaper are not expensive and give news from all around the world. Lakhs of people spend little time every day to read the newspaper. They are printed in many languages. Some newspaper of the same name are printed all over India, and some commons are Times of India, Hindustan Times, the Indian Express, and the Telegraph. Right? Another very commonly used communication is radio. Radio sets also help to receive news, education, information, discussion. Radio is very cheap mode of getting information today. Government का अपना अपना radio station है. These radio stations relay programs according to the fixed timetable. If we talk about today, it is the age of modernization technology. Television has been added to the means of communication. It's very important modern mode of mass communication, just like radio. The only difference is being that we can see what is happening, but the only difference makes that कि क्या differences हैं उसके बीच. So a television bring a whole world into a house. ठीक है, पूरे world को देखा ना, हम कहीं के भी न्यूज़ सुन सकते हैं अपने टेलीविजन. So there are special programs for children. Television really helps us to understand the life of the people living in different parts of the country. So today we also have satellite television programs we receive come from different part of the globe, which was not possible a few years ago. ये थोड़े टाइम पहले वो possible नहीं था और अब through the satellite it is possible. Now, how many means of communication has changed the world, that you have to tell over here, right? Now, our chapter has been completed. Hope you understood each and everything. Let's meet in the next class. Thank you.